Hello, my name is Mark Pimentel. I'm one of the CAM application specialists here at Hawker Systems, and in this video, we'll be talking about the sort features command. SolidWorks CAM and CAMWorks is a feature-based software, so everything starts with the feature. What we're going to do here is we're just going to run our extract machinable features and automatically find the geometries on the part or the features we're looking to machine. If we take a look at this particular feature right here, we can see that it found it as a rectangular slot and a rectangular pocket. Now, that is due to an option that I've turned on before I ran automatic feature recognition called Recognize by Depth. This was covered in a previous video on our YouTube channel. That finds these features depending on their z-depths. Now, the order of features does lead to the order of operations. And in the operations tree, we can sort them using that command that's found there, and it sorts it by the operation type and the tool being used. But another factor in the programming is the actual depth of the features themselves. And that's where the sort features command comes in. I don't actually want to do this rectangular slot first before I've cleared out this rectangular pocket. That wouldn't make any sense. The fact that that's a slot means I'm trying to do a side entry from there, and that would actually collide with the material that's still present in that rectangular pocket. So on a part like this, I could just manually swap them. For sure. I could easily just click and drag and then order the features in the direction and the order that I like them to be in. But parts that are much larger, to sort the features by their z-depth, I can right-click on Mill Part Setup 1, go to Sort Features, and then you can see the features are organized by feature type. So in my case, I have my non-holes. That is both my slots and my pockets. Right now, it's ordering them by the shallowest depth to the deepest depth. And that's why we had the slot first and then the rectangular pocket. Whereas in reality, I want those to be reversed. So I'm just going to click it so that it goes from increasing order. So now it's going to go from the deepest to the shallowest. Once I click the green check mark, we can see now that it put my rectangular pocket first because that is the deepest pocket, and then my rectangular slot further down the list. This is a much more logical way to mill out this part. I'd rather do this material first, opening up this area, so then I can later do a side entry. And for larger parts, after running the extract machinable features, all those features are listed there. Rather than trying to click and drag all the individual ones to get that proper order, I can use this automated command here to order them increasing in depth. Any questions on this or anything else, give us a call at the phone number found on our website, and stay tuned for the rest of the videos on this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.